dance is called Tight is High. 32 count, 4 walls. There are 2 restarts in this dance, during wall 4 and wall 7 after 16 count. And there's a tag at the end of wall 8. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, point your right to the side, point, step right forward, sweep left over right, cross shuffle, hold, and ball cross hold. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. Section 2. Side rock recover to the right, side recover left, behind side cross, behind side cross. Big step to the left, drag right next to left, make a quarter to the left with your right, quarter, and hitch. So with the count, section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, walk, walk. Section 3 with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, diagonal touch, back, touch. Step your right back and rock. Rock back, recover, rock back, recover. Last section with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your weight is on the left and you start the dance again with your right pointing. Point, step, sweep. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, during wall 4 and wall 7, after 16 count, there is a restart. Let me show you wall 4, facing 3 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count and you restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for this dance, at the end of wall 8, there is a tag. The tag is facing 12 o'clock. So the tag is point, step, with a count, 1, 2,